Hi, I'm Tim from Sonoma Valley.
And I'm Haley, and this is This Week in Sonoma.
Okay, Haley, welcome. Where the heck are we right now?
We are at Rancho Maria tasting rooms at the Sonoma Plaza.
That's fantastic, and we're going to learn a little more about that pretty soon. Haley, let's talk about what's happening this week in Sonoma Valley. First up, Haley, did you know that we have an official cocktail?
It's the Sonoma Spritz.
Sonoma Spritz. It's the official cocktail of Sonoma, and you know that because I just said it, so I'll say it again. I'll put a title underneath. It is Sonoma's official cocktail, the Sonoma Spritz, and May 20th through 26th, Sonoma Spritz Week.
It sounds refreshing, bubbly as always.
It's going to be fantastic. Do you oftentimes enjoy a drink with your friends in the afternoon?
I saw it when I went to Europe, and it's like same Mediterranean temperature here, so just delicious, best on the patio.
And that's a cool thing, and that's what we're going to be doing here. We have a bunch of different bars and restaurants around the plaza and in Sonoma serving some of these drinks. You can stop by there May 20th through 26th. Some of these restaurants include
Swiss Hotel, Mary's Pizza Tack, Hot Monk, Sonoma
Perfect.
Grill, my new favorite, Sunflower Cafe, Palooza Gastropub.
Have you been to
also.
Girl on the Fig?
I've worked at the Girl on the Fig, one of my favorite restaurants, one of my top restaurants to
they'll
recommend.
have that there too.
And they'll have the Sonoma Spritz, certainly.
Sonoma Spritz recipe for those that want to play along at home. How do you make a Sonoma Spritz? Haley?
You grab some Gloria Ferrer from our local sparkling wine here in Sonoma.
Right down the road there. Okay, good.
3 ounces of that. We have 2 ounces the Aperol Americano Aperol.
Yes, the Spritz is actually made by Prohibition Spirits down there in Cornerstone.
Oh, really? Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, they're
Matches
tasting
their
like
bright
Cornerstone.
orange,
Yeah,
their bright orange colors
totally
as
shiny
well.
down there. Absolutely.
Pretty. A little bit of club soda, 1 ounce on top of that, and then what you really need is you have the garnish on top. You have this beautiful bright orange slice as well to match the color.
I love that. And you can probably get oranges at the farmer's market on Tuesday night. All right, next up we have Memorial Day. And Haley, I got a special guest to come in and tell us all about Memorial Day in Sonoma Plaza.
Who are we bringing on?
I'm bringing in Sebastian because this is his tasting room, and he should tell us more about it because he's been super involved. Sebastian, come on in.
Hey guys.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
And thank you for, we can all fit on this amazing port swing, so I think that's
Yeah,
fantastic.
it's the barrel swing. We just recycled a couple of used barrels that we had in the tasting room.
This is awesome.
Yeah.
All right.
Wow,
Yeah, definitely.
Sebastian,
Ergonomically correct.
tell us about what's going on for Memorial Day here in Sonoma Valley.
So we have a very special Memorial Day celebration. It's actually our 61st annual celebration being hosted by the Rotary Club of Sonoma Valley.
You're a member, right? The Rotary?
Yeah, I am. I am a member of the Rotary of Sonoma Valley. Yeah. So our celebration starts at 11 on Monday, May 27th.
Okay.
And we have a very special celebration that we have a special guest of honor, Timothy J. Keating. He's a retired U.S. Navy admiral.
Okay.
We also have an amazing flyover, so it's a full formation flyover. There's going to be jets flying over Sonoma. So definitely
Actually,
look
a
up.
big deal. This is a big deal because
This is really cool.
Haley grew up in Sonoma, and she knows that we don't get a lot of airplanes flying over Sonoma.
I was gonna say it's gonna be loud, it's gonna be crazy, but I think that just gets the.
I mean,
going.
people get very excited when they see cars. So actually seeing an airplane and a flying beast.
Oh,
would be
full
amazing.
formation. I mean,
Very
yeah,
cool.
there's a lot of work that went into this, many hours of just getting permits and getting everybody okay with it, and actually just finding pilots.
Okay.
So a lot of work went
risking
into
their lives for you.
and
Oh,
hot
that was good.
dogs.
That was good. And hot dogs.
Lots of hot dogs. Yeah. So celebration
Risking your
starts
lives for
at
them.
11 a.m. We're going to be up at the Vets building. We're going to be cooking up a bunch of hot dogs. It'll be great. Sodas, refreshments for the whole family.
Okay.
If you're a veteran, bring your family. Wear
come
a
on down.
uniform.
Dad, we're going.
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely.
All right, cool. All right, well, thank you very much for that. Can you stick around for the rest of this week in Sonoma?
Definitely.
Okay, you ready for this?
Ready to do it for the Jets.
Everyone come on down May 27th, Memorial Day. May 30th, Sonoma Speed Festival on the Plaza. Haley, tell me a little bit about this.
We're gonna have 30 vintage cars going to Sonoma Raceway, and they're gonna be parading around here. You
Right,
said?
they come up here to the plaza from Sonoma Raceway.
That whole drive, I've seen it from afar with driving in Denver, just like,
Yeah,
what
cool.
is going on? It's a special event, though. You get to see vintage cars, but you also get to see them race them
Down there at the raceway.
at the raceway, not at the
Absolutely.
plaza.
And I got to tell you,
See
Haley,
that,
because it's
though.
cool for Sebastian. Sebastian, looking at your front door, you can probably see these cars going by on Thursday, May 30th.
Yeah, no, it'll be great. We're right here on First Street West, so I have a big view of the entire plaza, and I look forward to seeing all of these classic cars. I don't have any classic cars. Do you have one?
I do. I have a 2004 Toyota Camry.
So, gonna say, is there any food? Can I grab something to eat?
Oh,
at the
actually,
Raceway or
that's a
here?
good point. So this actually, for the Cars in the Plaza, it is a fundraiser. It does cost $30 to go in, but there's restaurants, 16 restaurants and wineries providing food and also providing some of
That's
their
a
wine, which would be kind of fun. And so come in and check it out, and also come to the tasting room before and meet Sebastian.
Hey, does that actually benefit any sort of charity?
It does. It supports the Raceway's charities. I actually give a lot of money at Sonoma Raceway to children's
much.
charities. Yeah, absolutely. So it's a big thing, and you often see that. I think you've been to a couple races.
Yeah, I've seen him spin around. It's loud. It's gonna be loud on the ground in the sky.
It'll be super cool.
A good week. It's a
So,
good week.
Yeah, it's a good
Sonoma
week in
Raceway does a
Sonoma.
great job of writing funds to Speedway charities to benefiting children. June 1st, Sebastian, how's your voice?
It's okay.
That was pretty good. So Wine Country Tenors, this is at VJB Vineyards in Kenwood. Haley, have you been up there to Kenwood?
I've been in Kenwood, but I haven't been in the wineries yet. But I'd love to hear them.
It's cool, right? They have like this VJB Vineyards, this little piazza in the back, and they have a pizza place, they have gelato, they have a deli, and they of course have their wines, and they have the Italian tenors. I haven't actually checked if they're Italian. They might be Irish. They might
I
be-
actually went to this.
Okay.
I actually
Oh,
went to
you
the
did?
one. Yeah, I actually went to the last one. It was amazing. The guy was singing from the balcony,
Wow.
serenading everybody that were drinking bubbly and eating pizza. It was fantastic.
But
It
they're
was such a
speaking
great
with
time.
their singing with their
Yeah, they
hands.
can do that for
Yeah,
you?
it was.
Like-
Yeah, I imagine that his hands were super tired. It looked like a great workout.
That's kind of good. So he
Where is my wine?
no reservations required, of course, and this is up at VJB Vineyards in Kenwood. June 8th, it is Rosé Day at Sweet D.
Oh, rosé all day.
Rosé all day, June 8th. Sweet D is over there off 8th Street in Sonoma. Go check it out. It's an afternoon filled of nibbles and rosé wine tastings.
Pizza.
And pizza. There's a lot of
Plenty
pizza
of
going
it.
on here.
No, it's the wood burning. It pairs
Pizza
really
is good.
well
Pizza's,
with
Yeah,
pizza's
little
little light,
life. Yeah,
little light
pizza's good.
crust, little light pink rosé, delicious.
Just kind of chilling and hanging out with your friends.
Pretty sweet.
I like that.
That sounds great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sebastian,
so actually,
do you have a rosé?
Yeah, I'll be there with my rosé. Yeah, I'll be rosé all day with Sweet D and Passaggio Wines, Jeff Cohn's Cellars, Preston Farm and Winery, Three Sticks Wines,
Okay, Three Sticks, great one.
Klein Cellars, yeah,
Delicious.
and so
Friends
many
at
more.
Klein.
Okay, good. Check it out. Final thing we have, June 9th. Sebastian, tell me about Brunch and Blues at Tips Roadside.
Tips Roadside, they have some of the best brunch I've been to in a really long time. I actually live in Kenwood,
Okay.
and they open up their entire back patio,
Okay.
which overlooks the beautiful Sugarloaf State Park.
Oh, that's cool.
It's every Sunday.
Okay.
They bring in blues, rock and roll. They have great food, music, and a bunch of games. So
Okay.
it's really more than just brunch. It's really a hangout for the afternoon.
It's
a Sunday
rock
fun
and
day.
a sandwich roll.
Yeah, exactly.
You actually get both.
Rock and a sandwich roll.
You can have your
I like
cake and
that.
eat it too.
I like
Yeah.
You can
Your
have
music,
it all.
You can have your music and your brunch.
All right, before we tell everybody to go to our website, cinemavalley.com, I want to ask a quick question. Sebastian, where are we real quick, and how can people find you here at Rancho Maria?
Oh man, we're in the wine garden at Rancho Maria's Tasting Lounge right here on
beautiful out
481
here.
First Street West, Sonoma. We're actually the only place on the plaza with a little back patio. It's our own little kind of secret wine garden.
Okay.
If you know, then you know.
Okay,
It's
okay.
one of those great little places. But
How
we're
often
here.
are you open? What days are you open?
Oh, we're here 7 days a week from 11 to about 7 o'clock, hanging out, and we're doing some
Okay.
great wines by the glass,
Okay.
by the bottle, or wonderful tasting.
Fantastic.
Which one's your favorite right now?
Oh, right now?
Yeah.
Oh man, I think probably our Petite Syrah.
Petite Syrah.
It's
Okay.
delicious. It's perfect for this like cooler weather, but also perfect barbecue wine as well.
Totally agree, right?
Very cool. Very cool.
Perfect for right now.
Yeah.
All right, well,
We should go have a glass.
we should go to class right now. So Sebastian, thank you. Haley, thank you. If you guys have more questions, go to cinemavalley.com for events, updates, and we'll even send you a free visitor guide. And thank you very much.
That's this week.